Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious curry shrimp. Okay, I already have my pot heated, so I'm gonna add my curry to burn a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna burn the curry a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna add my garlic. And my scallions. These are my shrimp, they're already pre-cooked, so I'm gonna add to the pots. And I'm gonna add a little seasoning, a little black pepper, if you want to make it a little spicy, then you can always add some Scotch bonnet. Okay, and as I said, the shrimp are already pre-cooked, so just to get the seasoning. This is our delicious curry shrimp. Okay. Just gonna sit it for a minute. Okay. So, can I have a taste? And this is our delicious curry shrimp. Okay, you can have it with rice or whatever you choose to have it with. So I'm gonna have a taste. This is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.